Huawei Mate 50 Pro has 6.76 inches display and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 6.8 inches display. Here is the display resolution of Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Here is the aspect ratio of Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Pixel density of Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra is 519 pixels per inch and 500 pixels per inch. Here is the screen to body ratio of Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. The brightness nits of Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra is 1500 nits and 1750 nits. The operating system of Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra is Android version 12. Mate 50 Pro has Kiris 9000E chipset and S22 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Here is the CPU process of Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Mate 50 Pro has Mali G78 MP24 GPU and Galaxy S22 Ultra has Adreno 730 GPU. The back camera of Mate 50 Pro and S22 Ultra can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps and 8K at 24 fps. Mate 50 Pro has 32 megapixels front camera and S22 Ultra has 40 megapixels front camera. The back camera of Mate 50 Pro and S22 Ultra can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps. Mate 50 Pro has 4500 mAh battery and Galaxy S22 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery. Mate 50 Pro has 66 watt fast charging and S22 Ultra has 45 watt fast charging. Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones support reverse charging. Mate 50 Pro supports 50 watt wireless charging and S22 Ultra supports 15 watt wireless charging. Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have GPS. Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones support face unlock. Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones have NFC. Neither Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones are water resistant. Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra is IP68.